Okay, share my screen, whiteboard. Okay. So, children, today we will go back and we will revise and we will call this revision class. Okay. For everybody, children? Okay, hold on. Now also? Okay, 1 minute. I think my son is also using my hotspot. 1 minute. I know why. 1 minute. Uh, Dhruv, Vinny? Okay. Use another hotspot. Don't use mine. Switch it off because it's becoming weak. Yeah. Okay, children. Yeah, it was because of hotspot. Okay, now it's fine. Now you all can hear me, right? Okay. Okay. Now, children, focus. Let me. This will be question and discussion type. Okay. What is this? What is it? Be the number. Very good. Now, what is yes? Yes. So do one thing. Go out of Zoom and come back. Go and come back again. Okay. So three is a number, right? Okay. Okay. What is this? Okay. So okay, Akshata. Now I want you to admit. Huh? I'll not admit. Akshata. Yeah, you keep admitting because then if I can't keep going to that page, then the flow will be there. So this we children already know, and we studied this in the last few months, and we knew that this is fraction, correct? Then it is also rational number, correct? So many, yeah, rational number, correct? And it is also called ratio, correct? Correct? Ratio, ratio, yeah. No. 3:5. Yes. Ratio, proportion. Everything all in one. This is all in one. Okay. Now whether I write this, when I write it in ratio form, it becomes 3:5. In ratio and proportion 5. 3:5 means nothing but it is 3/5. What does it mean? What does it mean? Yeah. Raise your hands. Yeah, tell me. So yes. So suppose anything you have. Suppose I have five give. Yes. Correct. Okay, let's take that example. Let's say we have, uh, let's have a square cake or a rectangular cake, okay? And we divide into five parts one, two, three, four, five equal parts. Remember, I told you equal. Never forget the word equal, okay? Yeah. So if I tell three parts of the cake. I take what fraction of the cake I've taken? 3/5. Correct? What ratio of the cake I've taken? So I've taken 3:5. Okay. Okay, listen very carefully. Listen to what I'm saying. Okay. You see how it is getting connected. It's getting connected like this. Okay. Now if I say, now if I say this three parts, I gave Govardhan, and these two parts I gave Bojalinga. Okay. What is the ratio of the cake Govardhan and Bojalinga got? 3 is to 2. What ratio of cake Govardhan got? Yes. 3 is to 5. What ratio of cake Bojalinga got? 2 is to 5. So this is very clear. This is very clear. Yeah. What fraction? What fraction of cake Bojalinga got? 2 by 5. Correct. What fraction of cake Govardhan got? 3 by 5. Correct. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So let me write it very more clearly, and let me write it in words nicely, neatly. I will write Govardhan got 3 by 5 of the cake. Correct. Of the cake. I'm just writing C. Bojalinga got 2 by 5 of the cake. Correct. Now, now please add what Govardhan and Bojalinga got. Please add what Govardhan and Bojalinga got. So what am I doing? I am going to I am going to add 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Okay. Now, now again, children, what one sec, don't jump. Again, whenever I'm doing something, children please mute. Children please mute. Yeah. Whenever I'm doing something, now what am I doing? I am doing addition. Addition. Always concentrate on the sign. Okay. I circled it for you. Again, always concentrate on what am I doing? Adding what? Adding what? 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Now, when I'm adding, my brain has to tell me, oh, these are what kind of numbers are these? This is, then go out and come again, child. Your network is weak, that means. Yes, Bhargavi. Yeah. Yeah, then go out and come again and again because my network is fine. Ha. Yes, Bhargavi. So, what are these? What is the number is this? No, no. What number is this? See, children, now in this class, we have to get used to answering to the question. Okay. Just answer to the question. So, first, what skill we are going to learn here? We are going to learn listening, understanding the question, and then answering. Okay. This is a skill we are going to learn here. Clear? Bhargavi, again. Listen to my question. What number is this? What I'm circling in green. What kind of number? Yes, it's a fraction. Very good. Okay. Subhashri. Subhashri. What what is the type of number I have circled now in yellow? Yeah, they are proper fraction. Very good. Fraction, proper fraction. Very good. Good answer. Okay. So I will go to the new whiteboard and I will write them again. So I will write 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Okay. Bhargavi. Now we have two fractions to be added. Moment I have two or more fractions, what will I do? I will compare them. Correct? I will compare them. Now when I compare these two fractions, what am I getting? They are like fractions. Why they are like fractions? Because denominator is same. Correct? Correct? And so whenever I know denominator same and they're like fractions, what will my answer be? I will write the denominator as it is. And what will the numerator become? 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, which is nothing but 5. 5 by 5, I will simplify it and it will get 1. What had happened? Govardhan had 3 by 5 of the cake. Bojalinga had 2 by 5 of the cake. Finally, when we add both the fractions, we got the full cake. Correct? Oh, okay. So, what were the steps? What are the steps to build skill? First, I always look at the sign, look at the operation. What operation? In this case, it was, what was it? Adding two fractions. Correct? Correct? This was the first step. Second step was what? I, moment I understood, I compared the two fractions. Compared the two fractions. Correct? Okay. Then, moment I compared, I realized that they are like fractions. Okay. So, moment I came to know they are like fractions, what happens? Then I will go to my new whiteboard and say, oh ho ho, how to add like fractions? What is the technique? How to add like fractions? Children, I hope you are writing this. Write it in a separate book. These are like notes. How to add like fractions? Simple. Like fractions, write the 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Write the denominator as it is. Write the denominator. I'm writing denominator as capital D, okay? As it is. What does D stand for? Yes. And then add the numerators. First step, second step. So what is the adding the numerator? 3 plus 2, 5. So my answer given 5 by 5. Then I will simplify the fraction. Simplify the answer. Got it? Clear? And we will get simplify equal to 1. Okay. Who can repeat me the steps to build skill in adding two fractions? Who can? Okay. No, only two hands I've got. I want more hands, children. What? Only three hands. Yes, Sanya, go ahead. I didn't understand. I did not. Yeah, three. No, that is the last step. I want to know when I started giving you when I said add two fractions and the fraction I gave you was when I said 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5. What are the steps? How is a brain going to think? I want to know that. How is your brain going to think? Yeah. First step, first step, yeah, first you will look and you will tell your brain what you want to do. What do you want to do? You want to add. So you will look for the plus sign. Correct? Correct? Next step. After that, wait. Let Sanya tell the second. First one I only told, no? Second one. Second step. Yeah, tell me what. You're looking at this now. So you know this is a fraction, this is a fraction, correct? Okay. Yeah, imagine or see now child, in when you're writing an exam, you have to send a signal to your brain. Okay, first was my first step was plus. I have to plus. That means your brain is saying okay, add. Sometimes we do silly mistake. We sometimes subtract. No, that is because we are not focused. So focusing is first. Focusing is what do I have to do? I have to add. Very good. What do I have to add? I have to add these two fractions. Okay. Moment I understood these two fractions, I have to add. Okay. Next step is what? I have to compare these fractions. Oh, I compare. How do I compare? I straight away look at the denominator. Oh, denominator same, like fraction. Very good. So like fraction, what will I do next step? I will write the denominator as it is and add the numerators. Fast. Tuck, we should do. And straight away simplify it to 1. This is how we should do. Tuck, we should do. Clear? Okay. Which you all will do. Which you all will do. I'm just telling you all initially now. But as we keep doing more and more, you all will understand. Tuck, we have to do. Okay. So very good. So now let's do quick rapid fire. 3, 4 like this. Okay. Tuck. Steps to build skill. Straight away on chat you should give me. Okay. No. Straight away give me answer. Steps are for you. Quick. I want all to participate, children. All. Don't worry, make mistake. Let's see who all are there. I will ask, huh? Okay, children, I want you all to enter with your original names. Who is this multi-pattern name? Multi-pattern name. I don't know who it is. And who is this eraser? 4 or 5 erasers. Come on, quickly, children. Anil, what is the answer you got? Anil? Archana, what is the answer you got? Rani? Yeah, I got your answers. I got it. It's very simple, children. It's direct. 10 seconds. Rani, waiting for answer. Rani, Rajesh, Pawan, Nandini Y, Anil, Amisha. Amisha, can you hear me? Amisha, can you hear me? Where's the answer? Amisha, where's the answer? Amisha, I didn't get. Oh, oh, Anil, you. Ha, Anil, I got it now. Oh, okay, Amisha, quickly tell me. How will you do? Quickly. Yeah, I got. Quickly tell me, Amisha. What is the answer? Very good. 10 by 9. How did you do? First, I saw, okay, I have to add plus. Wonderful. Two fractions are there. Wonderful. Oh, let me compare the fractions. Denominator is same. So I will write denominator as it is. Wonderful. When denominator is same, they are like fractions. So numerator has to be added. 8 plus 2, 10. So I get 10 plus 10 by 9. Can I simplify it further? No. This is final simplification. Finished. Answer. Clear? Next. Quickly we have to do. Okay. Don't forget the first step. Yeah. Tell me. Point. Bhargavi got 1 point. Okay. Next. Yes. Wait. Coming, Jayashree. Coming. Step by step. Don't worry. Don't worry. First, get your brain tuned to same denominator, because moment you start comparing, next time when I give you different denominator, you will get stuck. Correct? Yeah. Good question. I want simplification. Simplification. None of the you all are simplified. First answer I get simplified, I will give marks. First answer I'm waiting. None of you got correct. Yes. First answer I got. Yes. Yes. But children, you are not simplifying. Archana wrong. Okay, Archana. Mm. No, wait. I will tell you. When I do, you all will come to know who's correct. No, Govardhan. No. Okay, Archana, tell me. Quickly. Archana. Archana. Jayashree, no. Archana. Can you hear me, Archana? Okay, Nandini, why? Wait, child. We will do it. We'll do it. I got the person who gave me first correct. Nandini, why? Nandini, why? I want you to answer. Nandini, why? Can you hear me? Nandini, why is not there? She left. Rani, are you there? Wait. Yeah, Archana, I can hear you now. Rani? Yeah, Archana, tell me. Tell me, Archana. Yeah, Jayashree. Ah, that is why I told you first step always see what you have to do. What is the sign here? Then why will you add? So? So? Okay. Now, okay. So, so now you know you have to subtract. Okay. Then next is what? You will see what all, Archana? Archana? Yeah, Harshita, go ahead. Harshita. Archana, your network is weak, Archana. Okay, hold on. Harshita, go ahead. I know, Archana. I know. Yeah. So you have two fractions. You so you have so denominator they are like fractions. You will write denominator as it is, correct? And numerator you will subtract. 15 minus 12, 3. Correct? But can you so our answer is 3 by 18. Can you simplify it? Yes. 3 ones are 3. So answer is 1 by 6. Okay, Mubarak gets 1 point. Okay, here we go. Next. So, children, again, whenever I give you something, first step is to see the sign, then you have to see the numbers. they are fraction. Then you have to see whether they are like or unlike fraction. And then, moment you know it is like fraction, write the denominator as it is, and whatever masala you want to do with numerator, do it. Plus or minus whatever, as the question asks. Very good. Now let's go ahead. Let's do next. You mute yourself, children. Quickly, children. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Yes, 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 yes. Shashank, how you're getting? Yeah, Pawan, how you're getting all that answers? Okay, Shashank. Children, you are not simplifying. Come on. Yeah, tell me. Very good. Looked at the operation. Very good. Correct. Compare the denominators. No, no. So tell me, when you compare the denominator, what you got? Say, like fraction? Okay. So I will write denominator as it is. Then 21 plus 2, 22. So I got 22 by 6. Then what happens? Can I simplify it? Yes. Two 11s are 22, two 3s are 6. So 11 divided by 3. This is the final answer. Correct? Shashank gets 1 point. So who all are 1 point now? Bhargavi. Who, second one was who? Mubarak and Shashank. Okay. Now last. Okay. Now last. Now this will be 2 marks. Okay. Okay. This is a jackpot question. Okay. Fine. Simplify. Simplify. No. 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 Only 3 answers I got correct. No, Akshata. No, children. No, no, no. Yes. 4 answers correct. 5 answers correct. 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 Okay. 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 Please mute, children. Please mute. Others who are not answering, please. Quickly. I'll tell you all. You all can check. You all can check. Okay. Pawan. Pawan, go ahead. Pawan, go ahead. Others mute. Others mute. Go ahead. Tell me how to do. No, no. Tell me by how I've told you. What all are the steps? Tell me. What all action you have to do? Tell me first. First, tell me before that. What all you have to do? First step was what? I told you. Always observe. So there are two operations here. So how many fractions you have? Three fractions you have. One, two, three. So You have addition and minus at the same time. Wonderful. Then what you will do? You will check, okay, oh, I have plus and minus. Then, yes, now Pavan, go ahead, compare. So they are like fractions. All three are like fractions, correct? So what will I do? I will write the denominator as it is, correct? Then what will I do? I will add the first two numerators and minus the last numerator. So this, I told you all, moment you all have like fractions, okay, correct now? So straight away I will put numerators together, 13 plus 23 minus 21. Same, simple children. Then go ahead. 13 plus 23, 36 minus 21. 36 minus 21, how much? 15 divided by 5. So I get 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are. So we get 3 by 1. And 3 by 1 is equal to 3. Whoever gave me this answer first, 3, not 3 by 1, 3 gets the 2 points. 3 by 5 is wrong. 3 by 1 equal to 3. Who's saying 3 by 5? Who is saying 3 by 5? Nitisha. Nitisha, you are not understood. This is basic division. See, see, you got 15 by 5 divided by 5. Now we have to simplify this fraction. How do we simplify? 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. So it becomes not 3 by 5, it becomes 3 by 1. Understood? Yes. And every number which is written as 3 by 1 is always written as 3. Otherwise, what is it? Is because 1 is always understood. No, any number divided by 1 is that number only. Correct? You are more worried about that. Okay. So I will give Sanya 2 points. Okay. And I will give Pawan 1 point. Because Pawan wrote first 3 by 1. But Sanya wrote 3 first. Okay. Clear? Very good. Now, very good. Very good. So clear, children? This is very clear. How to? Yeah. Okay. So this is a technique always. Always remember, because in 10th and all, you will not get this simple one or two fractions. They will give you 3, 4, 5 fractions together. And they will give you with alphabets. They will not even give you with numbers. And you will have to do that. Okay. Very good. Now, I have a fraction. No quiz. Quiz enough. Finished. Now tell me, children. Again, steps to build skill. What is the first step here? What are we going to observe? Sign. So we know we have to add these two numbers. What are these numbers? Fractions. Okay, these two are fractions. Correct. Now tell me, children, compare the fractions. Yes, Subhashri. What kind of? They are unlike fractions. Why? Yes, unlike fractions because denominator denominators are different. Now what to do? Now like fraction. Yes. Now children, there are two techniques. Now there are no. Now there are two techniques. Okay. Now there are two techniques. 3 by 5 plus 5 by 8. Correct. There are two techniques. There are two techniques. One technique is called Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. You all can use cross multiplication or find LCM of denominator. So, children, mute yourselves. We will first start cross multiplication. Okay. So let's go new whiteboard and let's say let us do what are the fractions? 3 by 5, 3 by 5 plus 5 by 8. Very good. Okay. So let us do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Wait, child, wait. This all you all have done before, but I'm just revising it for you. Cross multiplication. What do we understand by cross? What comes to your mind? Cross. What symbol? Yes, it is like X. It is like X. Cross. Or it can be like plus sign also. But generally, we are more comfortable with into marks. So what happens here? Nothing. Cross means I will multiply this fraction 3 by 5 I will multiply by 8. Okay, 3 multiplied by 8, 5 multiplied by 8, and this fraction I will multiply by 5 multiplied by 5 and 8 multiplied by 5. Okay. So what happens is I will write 3 by 5 plus 5 by 8. What is cross sign? Cross is like this, no? Like this, no? Huh? So what? So what I'll do is I will see these two fractions. I will see the denominators. One denominator is 5, one denominator is 8. That is why unlike fraction. Correct? Very good. So I will multiply this first fraction by 8. Numerator also, denominator also. Okay? I will multiply by 8. And this fraction I will multiply by 5. 5 also, the numerator also, and denominator also. So what I will do? Now let me remove the lines. Let me remove the lines and look at what I am writing. The arrows are gone. My touch is not working. Okay. Now see very carefully what I am doing. I am multiplying 3 by 8. Why by 8? Yes. The denominator of the other fraction. That's why I'm multiplying the first fraction by 8. Numerator and denominator. Clear? And this I'm multiplying by 5 by 5. Why? Because denominator of the first fraction is 5. So the second fraction I'm multiplying by the numerator by the 5 also, denominator also by 5. What do I get? What do I get? 3 multiplied by 8, 24 divided by 40 plus divided by. Oh, now again I've got two fractions. Again, step to build skill. What happened? Again, I will go. What do I have to do? Plus, correct? Then two fractions. Compare the fractions. What are the fractions? What kind of fractions? Like fraction. So, what happens in like fraction? Write the denominator as it is and add the numerator. 49 by 40. Can you simplify it? You cannot. So what you did? What were the steps to build skill? When we had unlike fractions. What was the step to build skill? I checked the sign. Then I compared the two fractions. Oh, they're unlike fractions. Then I used cross multiplication technique, I multiplied the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction, that is 8. Correct? I multiplied 3 multiplied by 8, 5 multiplied by 8. Then the second fraction, I multiplied by denominator of the first fraction. 5 multiplied by 5 divided by 8 multiplied by 5. Then I got 24 by 40 plus 25 by 40 equal to 49 by 40. Clear, children? Now you see how it is getting a little tough. The like fraction it was easy, correct? Now, unlike fraction, it became a little tough, correct? So, let us do again. Let us do again another fraction. So, let me give you another fraction. Simple one. Let me give you 5 by 7 plus 3 by 5. Who can help me do this? Steps to build skill, raise your hands. Some more hands, some more hands. Okay, Nandini J. Okay, we looked at the problem, we have to add. Okay, yes. Then comparing, okay, like, unlike, unlike fractions. Why? Because denominators are different, correct? Okay, very good. So what technique you'll use? Cross multiplication. So what you will do? So second, the denominator of second fraction is what? 5. So what you do with first fraction? Okay, so I will write 5 by 7. Then I will multiply both numerator also by 5, denominator also by 5, correct? Then second step, that is the denominator of the first fraction, correct? Yeah. Bhargavi, you have some doubt? Yeah. Okay. So I will multiply 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. Okay. Now tell me next step. Very good. Now you have got two fractions again. But this time the fractions are like fractions. So what you will do? You will follow the step to build skill for like fractions. You will write denominator as it is and you will add. Okay. So 46. So you will get 46 by 35. Can you simplify it? No. So this is the answer. So you saw when you have unlike fractions, your step to build skill becomes double. First, you have to convert the unlike fractions to like fractions. What is the technique we used? What is the technique? Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Yes. Now let us see whether we get the same answer. What is the answer? 46 by 35, right? By doing LCM method. Let us do LCM method. Okay. Okay. Now we will do LCM method. Okay. Now tell me, children, start. Step to build skill. Who will do? Who will do with me? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Pawan, I've already asked. Anybody else? Anybody else? Pawan already asked. Lower your hand. Anybody, children? Shashank already asked. Yes, Jayashree, go ahead. Yes, Jayashree. Yeah, tell me. No, no. Now we are doing LCM method, child. LCM. So first step, tell me what you're doing. First step, tell me. Step to build skill, Jayashree. First, we will check sign. Okay. Operation. It is plus. Okay. Then you will compare the two fractions. Are they like or unlike? Unlike fraction. So in the previous technique, we did cross multiplication. Now I'm telling you, we will do LCM method, wherein you will find LCM of the two denominators. What is the LCM of the two denominators? 35 is the LCM. Okay, so LCM is 35. So you want to convert first fraction also denominator as 35, second fraction denominator also as 35. How will you convert? Yes, we will multiply the first fraction by 5. So denominator is multiplied by 5, numerator also gets multiplied by 5. And second fraction also we will multiply by denominator by how much? 7. And denominator also by 7. Correct? So we get denominator 35. What happens to numerator? 25, and 3 into 7, 21, which is nothing but 46 by 35. Actually, it is the same like cross multiplication. Got it? Let us do another number. Let us do another fraction where you can. Yeah, Bhargavi, you should ask the questions or general doubts on the full group. Ask me your doubt. Ask me your doubt. Yes, 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 definitely. Yeah. In 10th standard, they will not ask you any specific technique. Whichever you're comfortable with, you can do. Whichever technique. Actually, if you see, both the techniques are connected. They're actually the same thing. Only thing is, there's convenience in doing one particular, and there's convenience for some people in doing the other. That depends on your practice and your comfort zone. You all can use any technique. Correct? Yeah. Okay. So now let me give you another fraction. I have. Tell me now. So we have. Who will help me? Quickly, children. Quickly, anybody. Nandini ji already answered. Next, 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 quickly. I want children who have not answered. Who is me? Pawan already answered. Bhargavi already answered. Akshata. Akshata. Tell me. Okay. Okay, tell me stepwise, no child. What are we going to do? Plus, right? Okay, then. And we are doing LCM method, okay? So tell me, what is the LCM? Are they like fractions, unlike fractions? 3 by 5 and 4 by 6? Unlike fraction. That means we have to do what? We have to find LCM of 5 and 6, correct? Okay. So, what is LCM of 5 and 6? 30. Yeah, Akshata, go ahead now. Now I want both the fractions to become denominator to become 30. What should I do? 5 into 6. 5 into 6 will be 30. So 3 into 6. Correct? And what I will do the second fraction? 6 into 5. 4 into 5. Okay, children, if you all see this carefully, it is nothing but cross multiplication technique. 18 plus 18 by 30 plus 20. Now what happens? Now both the fractions I have are what kind of fractions? Like fractions. So what will I do? I will write the denominator as it is. And what will I do with the numerator? How much is the numerator? 38. And then simplify it. Both can be divided by 2. So 38, 19. 19 twos are 38. 15 twos are 19 by 15. Now, children, Bhargavi, especially you look at this. Look at this part. It is nothing but cross multiplication. So it we multiplied the first fraction by 6 and the second fraction by 5, which were the denominators. Clear, children? Very good. So this happens when you have unlike fractions. Correct? Correct? So now, children, I will give you all worksheet wherein we will do only practice of this. Okay? We will only practice. I will give you all some 5, 10 like fractions. I will give you some 5, 10 unlike fractions. Just do it. But when you're doing it, remember the steps I have told you all when you all are approaching any problem. Okay. First step will be always look at the sign. Tell yourself, what do I have to do? Oh, I have to add. Okay, I have to add and subtract. Oh, I have to only subtract. Okay, fine. What kind of fraction is there? Okay, like fraction, very simple technique. Write the denominator as it is and add the numerators or subtract the numerators, whatever the question asks. Okay, very. When you compare, if they're unlike fractions, then you have to say, oh, cross multiplication stroke LCM. One of the methods, whichever I'm comfortable, I will do. Straight away do that. Why you're doing that? To convert unlike fractions to like fraction. And moment you get like fraction, you know, write denominator as it is and add or subtract the numerator. Clear? Just remember this is a technique, because once you get this technique, in some problem when you're solving, in between you will get two fractions. You will, oh, I have to do this. Let me add, let me do this. So let's get the brain going to practice this. Okay. So first of all, I know what is like fraction, I know what is unlike fraction, and what is the technique to add them and subtract them. Clear? Yes, Shweta. Yeah.